everybody, this is Godzilla 100 with a, guess what you guys, it finally came already. It was kind of unexpected. So yeah, I got a new figure already. And you're going to see what I got inside. And this is another unboxing video. Yeah, it's another package. I'm going to open it. Here we go. Yeah, it was really unexpected because I was really supposed to get this much later, but I guess the guy sent it right away when he got it, and it came right when he wanted it. Okay, let's open it up. I hope it is what I think it is, because if it's like one of my dad's things, that really sucks. But let's hope now that it's not. But it's the package that it's from the same place I ordered it from, so it's gotta be. Yep, it is. Man, these packages seem good. Wow, this thing is hard to open. Got it open? Let's see what's inside. What do you guys think it is? Oh yes. Gorgeousness. That's it. Big box on the way. Let's get the scene. Whoa. I'm gonna use my scissors. Using my scissors. Soaked in. Almost got it out. Woo! You guys got a glimpse of it. Oh my gosh, this thing's huge. Oh my gosh. Alright, you guys, here it is. The 1991 Bandai Standard King Ghidorah. Yeah! I got another King Ghidorah figure. This one's big. This one's the one that Godzilla has. And it comes with its original tag. Yeah, got a good deal for it. I got it for 20 bucks. Yeah, nice figure. One of the best I have gotten. I am in love with this figure right now. Oh my gosh. So yeah, you guys, this is the figure I got. So yeah, I'll do a review on him. So this is Godzilla 100 signing out.